Alright, it's that time of the year where we are having our mega promo 11/11 sales. From today until the 15th of November, head on to this website and sign up all our e-learning courses because they are undergoing a 50% discount. Not only that, we have 3 exciting news for you. News number 1, the e-learning portrait class has been completely revamped. Entirely new content available now, which you should take advantage of. Sign up now before the price increases. Good news number 2, getting started with video, an entire new course open for pre-registration now. So quickly sign up now and enjoy the saving. And third great news, choosing the right camera and settings, a new e-learning course made solely just for you, because over the years I've gotten so many emails and messages from photographers saying that which camera should I buy, what settings should I use. This course is produced just for you. Sign up pre-registration now and save massively. Hurry, sign up now. Both these pre-registration courses will be available early 2020. So head on to our website and enjoy the savings.